Hello guys, it's Samuel here from 10 Things I Like, and I'm here with Ayo from Unileap. This is going to be my true hands-on review
Yep.
because I've not been able to try this yet.
This is this.
What are we looking at?
The Skullcandy Crusher Wireless.
So far, the
Design.
design. It's like there's so many characteristics. It's like a fabric at the top, although you don't really see
it?
But it's a nice touch. You've got metal, trims, nice cushion leather, and it feels really sturdy. I can see headphone jack, even your headphone has an headphone jack. USB charging.
Yep.
Can you do anything else with the USB or?
I haven't tried that yet, but I think it's just for charging. It has 40-hour battery.
Okay, all right.
And it has true
40 hours.
40.
And I like the buttons are quite big. That's volume up, volume down, and the middle one, power.
Yeah.
And over here, there's a slider.
To adjust the bass, how much bass you want to put on your head.
So I'm guessing that's the lowest bass,
Yep.
and that's the highest bass.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be a true review. Sorry if you can't hear the song, but I'm just gonna review it. What? Wow.
And it has no noise cancellation.
There's a lot of. I can't even hear you right now.
Yep.
Ooh! Please pause that. Ah!
That is some serious
Wait.
bass. And the bass does not affect the music.
Please, can I tell you why I just took this off? It literally felt like my head was next to a subwoofer.
Yep.
Like, like you've got a subwoofer in your car.
Yep.
And your head is on the subwoofer.
And it goes.
The headphone actually vibrated.
Yes. That's on the highest, so that's why there's a button
Slider.
to reduce the amount of bass you want. But even at the loudest bass, you will still enjoy it. All the headphones, when you put on the loudest bass, there's a lot of distortion. It is smooth and clean.
No, guys, this is an honest review.
Yep.
I've never tried these headphones before. Sorry, like I want the experience again. Like,
You have
Wow.
to try it. It's honest review of headphones.
ooh.
You get that feeling every time the bass kicks in.
Wow.
And from here,
My head is vibrating with it.
the volume is on. If you can see this, the volume is almost at the loudest, and he can't hear me, and I can barely hear the song.
Wow.
It's. You can turn down the bass to how you want.
So I'm playing with the bass slider now. Wow.
And that's without noise cancellation. The headphones, my recommendation for 2019.
It's vibrating.
Yep.
I wish I have a way to like show. Like my hands are vibrating.
Yep.
So is this like the first headphone with like subwoofer or something?
I don't think so. I think there's so many, but this one is the best one when it comes to the bass. It was designed specifically for bass heads.
My ears still tingle.
Yeah.
Whoa. Okay, I am not exaggerating. I could hear the audio clearly,
Yep.
and that extra.
It still goes in the background. It's like it's in the background. Yep.
Like I'm holding it right now, and I can. It's like a haptic vibration, but it's not.
It's not.
It's a subwoofer.
It's a subwoofer in your ears, just a little bit, and it's only 60 pounds.
What you're saying is you don't need this headphone, and I can keep it.
What I'm saying is you can go to Curry's and get it for 60 pounds.
Links
Links
down below.
You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. It comes in black as well.
This is my first
color.
headphone review on this channel. I wasn't intending to do one, but
This.
Woo!
I was shook too.
That bass slide is amazing.
Yep.
Because when I took it all the way down,
There's still
it
music.
looked like it sounded like a normal headphone.
Headphones.
And you slide the thing up.
Yep.
you know what we could have done if we had like a clear surface and then a glass of water.
And test it. And
You
see
would have
that.
literally the water would be vibrating. But thank you for this new headphones. Thank you. You can come back.
Comment,
and
guys.
donate
Let us
more.
know what you think.
Yeah.
We'll see. We'll do more headphones when we get a chance.
Yeah, but this Skullcandy what?
Skullcandy Crusher Wireless.
Crusher, it definitely
There's
crushed
a-
something.
There's a new one they just did. A Skullcandy 360. That one is slightly expensive version of this.
Also, you're
with a
getting the
little-
new one.
with a little
so
bit
you
more
don't
bass.
need this one anymore.
So guys,
Yo, answer so the world can hear you. So you're getting the new one and you don't need
amen to
this
that.
anymore.
Skullcandy, send me a new headphones. Once you send me a new headphones,
Yes. But anyways, guys, it's Samuel from 10 Things I Like. I am still blown away.
Yeah.
I have a kit sound immerse, and I thought my kit sound was amazing. And mine was £95.
Yep.
I've wasted money.
Skullcandy, you did good on this one.
There. Anyways,
See ya.
like how you said, like,
Comment.
comment.
Let us know what you think.
Yeah.
Which other headphones you think is better when it comes to bass than this, and we'll try it out. Peace.